Hi guys! Today we are opening LEGO Friends. So let's open it. Where should we open it? Let's open it over here. Okay, so here is our things. Let's see. We got our instructions. Yes. Oh, we have these Lego pieces, and we got some pieces inside here. Yes. It's a forest. Yes, it's a forest. So now I'm gonna open this bag, and you're gonna open that bag. So you can do it. Here's a scissor. Here's a scissor. Here, I'm gonna use the scissor. Okay, I'm just so excited. And here's our pieces from here. Wait, I don't know how to make it. Hey, we have the instructions. Something else. So the first thing we need to make the peoples. Of course. Where's the people? I'm gonna make Olivia. Okay. I'm gonna make Olivia. I'm gonna make Andrea. Andrea, right? Okay. Yeah, Andrea. And so this is the head. Wait, I'm gonna put it in. This is it. And here's Andrea with his body. But I don't. It's so hard. I can't. Later. It's like that. Okay. Let's see the body. We got our body. It's just like this. The top piece. Oh, there's a gem. A gem. So cool. So cool. Here's Andrea's head. And Olivia is done. Andrea's not done. And oh, we got a squirrel. Oh, there. Yes. Here it is. So cute. Look at you. So let's. Oh my God. So hot. There's. Ooh, look at these. Acorns. Acorns? These are acorns? Yes, of course. But there is how to make the acorn. First, put this here. And put this in here. Does it that? Oh, it's only one. There. You're gonna make another one? It's for the cupcake. Yeah. Now we have these. The acorns. Let's put it here. Wait. Andrea. And here's Andrea. Andrea, I forgot. Olivia. This is trash. There's two gems. I just like it. One for you. Ow. Wow. You found me again. There's what is the first? Let's make our scooter. So find a piece like that. Here's our scooter piece. Ooh, it's a cool piece. But let's see. These. Yes. And where's the next one? Where's the next one? This is the next one. Okay. So we have to find the top. We got to get like that. Doesn't want to stick. Okay, that's it. I think that's it. Okay. And what do we need here? We need like this. Piece like this. This is it, our piece. Okay. Is this like this? Oh, no, wait. Ta-da! It's like this. And we are going to put this on it. Because it's done. So let's put Olivia in it. That's Olivia. There we go. Olivia now can... wait. Done. Now Olivia can go here. Yay! It's going so.
Ow!
Angela!
There we go.
So what do we make? Like this. Oh my god.
We made a piece like this.
Oh, we have to find like this.
So we need to find like these. It's so simple. I got one. This is the two.
Just get two. We got four.
I think what this piece is. Oh,
That's
this
one, of
is
course.
our piece. Is it like this? Is it like this? Yeah. Is it? I think so.
I even don't know.
Okay, we made a flower tip. No, that's a flower, not a tip. Put the flower over here.
Now we have to find this like that.
You find the things. It's so simple. It's so big.
Wow, and where are those two?
Oh my, is this the right side? Oh, no. Like this, like this, like this, like this. We're gonna do it.
Where's a scissor?
I'm gonna do it again. Okay.
You're just gonna be kidding me.
Hey, don't cut that.
What is
So
this
hard to
thing?
take off. Wait. We don't have a cap. Okay.
Use our cap. Olivia, it's your heart. See this
Oh,
cup.
it's a cup. It's a cup. So
Olivia.
cool.
Give Olivia's heart.
Okay, so I take off it. Oh, there we go. There we go. So we're gonna put the flower in it, and we're gonna put this. Okay, so we're gonna
Get the water.
take the water.
Okay, let's get them.
We made a piece just like this and a
I
brick
have to
like
find
this.
it. Ooh, here.
Okay, thank you. It's on this side. Ooh, it's so hard. Oh, and here's this side. It's so tiny. It's like just like this. Oh my god.
Okay.
Ah! Okay, here it is. It's getting apart. So we made a piece just like these.
I just have to find it now.
Oh, these. This is it. It's gonna be here. What do we need for this?
Harry's over here.
No.
It's over there. So
Silly
that's
you.
floors. So get that floors.
Floors. La la la.
You're just so excited, right?
Ta-da!
Just
It's already like this. Now we made the acorn that we made. And the gym. We made the acorn. The acorn. No, the gym is not there. The acorn is here. That's so many hands. Okay, here we go. So what does this means? Or maybe it's like this. No.
Let's get the gem. Okay, we're gonna get the next one.
Okay, this.
Okay.
Another big piece like that.
Okay.
So hard finding it. It's actually so big.
Yes, but I.
Wow, so cool. This is it. Now we're gonna
Yes,
get
this
this
is
one. Another one like this. Okay. There we go. Look at it.
It's almost done.
We made like these.
Oh wow.
Oh, there's so much piece that's so big.
Yes, they're too giant. Not just so small.
It's so cool.
It is
Now we are going to put like these.
So, there's
So
just, like,
where do we put
spine.
these? Oh, here. And we put like these. Here it is.
Here it is. The next one.
Okay, thank you. And
Look at the bridge for this.
just that all.
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay. So let's see what else we made. We made these pieces. Pieces. Here we go. Just like this and oh wait. Don't yet, not yet.
She's so excited.
So we made these pieces. This, like this.
Yes, that's for the sitting room.
Over here?
It's just like for the sitting
Oh,
room.
it's here.
Yes, this.
Yes. Up the top two. Is it here? I think it is. So we need a piece like this.
Simple.
Hey, oh my god, what is going here? And we're done. There we go.
And what did
Now there's so much pieces here. We don't need these pieces.
Oh, but we need this.
We need the binoculars. Ah, there's a fire on the head. Don't put a fire on the head, please. So this girl oh my god, the hair. Ah, the binoculars. Should we do it like this? Or we do it like that? Yep, like this. Can see the world. Oh my god.
You just want more acorns.
I'm seeing you guys. La, 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 la.
And enjoy some acorns. She's taking the acorns.
Okay.
Let's swing.
Gotta get up here. Ah, get out of the way.
Hey, I want to play with that one.
Ah. Okay, this is finished. So cute. I love it. We going down the hills.
And make a fire in your hair.
No. Okay, so this is our Lego set. So I help. So, bye guys.
Yeah.